Hello, this is Mrs. Lang, Science 6th grade at Magnolia Middle School, and I am here to help you get through your logging in to your new science textbook. So for some of you, this may not be new information, but just to make sure that you are able to, once you go to start.hcps.org, then you are able to click on the Holt McDougall Online Textbook. Once you're there, you will need to log in. It should be your same student username that you use to log into any HCPS computer and password. Once it opens, you should see the Earth Science textbook. It's red. And the online textbook, you click here to go to the next step. Once you are here, notice it says Book Pages, E-Activities, and Student Resources. In order to go to a different section or unit, use the drop-down menu. Once you have opened that, for example, we're going to be starting with Chapter 15. You want to click the word Go. Once you are here, it allows you to see everything on the page. Please notice that you should not be able to see the Teacher Resources version, as I am a teacher and you are a student. Next allows you to change pages as you're going through the text and information. You may find it necessary to scroll down or to shrink the page in order to see everything that's available to you. I'm actually going to increase the size here just a little bit to make it easier for you to read. And notice e-activities. These e-activities have been working on laptops. They have not been working on phones. So if you have access to a computer, you may want to try it there. Otherwise, just use the text as it is. In order to hear the section, I would click play.
The atmosphere.
Please open your textbook. Follow along in your book as you listen to this chapter. Be sure.
The atmosphere.
Now, to our knowledge, if you do not have a downloaded version, I'm not sure if it will play. If I click play and then go back here to Book Pages.
Please open your textbook. Follow along in your book as you listen to this chapter. Be sure to look carefully at the figures and illustrations when they are mentioned in the reading.
Section 1. Characteristics of the atmosphere. The atmosphere.
So as you can see, you can listen to it as you are reading. There are also some student resources here that if we need them, we will push you in that direction. However, you would hit the plus sign in order to open those, and notice there are some links. Please note that we are not planning on using everything attached to the textbook for our science curriculum, but we do want you to have this as a resource. If you need to change sections, there's different sections in each chapter, or if we ask you to look at something else, the drop-down menu seems to be most helpful. Thank you for listening and happy learning.